Hello friends! Morning! We are here in Makati,
Global
GGC.
City.
Yeah, Global City with Manang Mena, our tour guide. And yeah, dog. And we've been to Market, to SM Aura, and now we are going to Benicia. We're here in Makati.
This is nice. This is nice in the shade.
Ay, Taguig. Taguig. We've been to
Went to church.
Pembo. Pembo, ano na pala, yung Pembo. San Juan na. Oh. So, we are here. We went to SM Aura and there's a mass in the chapel. So, we attended there. And we ate our halo-halo in market. So it's nice. It's beautiful.
We have to ask where
Benicia. So yeah, it's a different world nga naman. Oh. Those buildings. Parang nasa Singapore. Ay, Korea din. Abit to, Korea too. They have nice. Yati tabak.
malayo pa?
Sa Makati pa po yun. Layo pa yun, ma'am.
Anong makikita dito?
Anong gagawin namin?
Anong makikita dito?
Ha?
Anong makikita?
Mga ano po yan?
Ganyan-ganyan na lang?
Restaurant.
Asan kaso? McKinley pala yun.
Yes, ma'am. Makati po yun.
Malayo?
Malayo pa po
Ano
yun.
sasakyan namin?
Ano po kayo? Grab.
Mag-grab.
Gaano kalayo?
Hindi ko may estimate lang kung ilang kilometer.
Oh,
Wala naman tayong apps na Grab. I don't have apps.
okay.
Mag ano kayo, ma'am? Taxi. Kung sakaling may dumaan. Pero punta po kayo ng market, marami pong taxi doon.
Galing kami doon.
Maraming taxi doon. Pwede kayo sumakay doon papunta Linis ka na.
Mas malapit doon.
Opo, sa market. Dito kasi wala kayong pasalita lang.
Di, oo nga.
Babalik na naman kami doon.
Yes, ano kasi mga
Galing kami sa Aura eh.
Kasi dyan po, kung gusto nyo natin yung taxi, kaya lang kasi ano taxi na dati.
Could you take a photo of him and me?
Okay. Take pictures? Okay. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Thank you. Thank you. Ha? Okay, we will be walking to Venice Canal. And through this area. Beautiful buildings, tall buildings. Okay, that's it for today, friends. Bye. See you next time again. Bye. Hello Philippines. Kunamot